Greetings, YouTube model train people. In this video, I'm going to be doing a Rapido rotating beacon install on an Athearn GP35 blue box locomotive, which actually already has a decoder installed, so I'm going to just be showing you this. And I'm going to do something a little different for this one. I'll show you here. Okay, for those of you who haven't seen my previous videos, this is the electrical part of the rotating beacon. Basically, it consists of this, which is the LED assembly. There's like 4 LEDs mounted on each of the sides of this. That makes the rotating effect. And then that connects to this little circuit board right here, which does all the control. And then there's basically just 2 wires that you have to hook up, plus and a minus, which can be, I think, up to maybe 16 volts. So in your DCC system, you'll want to hook this up to the blue wire, hook the red wire off this up to the blue common, and then the black wire up to your function. So normally in all my other videos, in all my other installs, the way I have installed this is I've drilled a hole in the top of the locomotive large enough to pass this whole assembly up through, which that's actually a kind of a big hole to be drilling in my train. So this time what I'm going to attempt to do is, this time I'm going to attempt to unsolder each of these 5 little tiny wires one at a time, and I'm going to pass them. I just drilled a little tiny hole. Luckily the roof comes off this thing, so it's easy to... So I have just drilled a little tiny hole here, and I'm going to take each of these one at a time and pass them down through here, and then resolder it back onto here. That's the plan. Let's see how it works out. Okay, here goes nothing. Wow, what a relief. Okay, here we've got headlights, number boards, and the newly added beacon. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you all have happy and safe New Year's, and see you in the next video.